Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to save one-time disappearing photo on Instagram. Alright, so let's begin. So in order to view a one-time disappearing photo on Instagram, you have to follow these steps. First, open the Instagram app and make sure you're signed into your account. Next, tap on the messages icon and open the conversation containing the one-time disappearing photo. After that, tap on the photo to view it. Keep in mind that a view once photo can only be opened one time. Once you close it, you won't be able to view it again. If you're wondering whether you can save the photo, Instagram does not provide an official option to save or download someone else's one-time disappearing photos. Screenshots and screen recordings may also be blocked or notify the sender, depending on the type of disappearing media and the app version. One option is simply open the photo and click the picture with another phone. This way you can do that. Another option is go back and tap your profile icon. Then tap the three lines at the top right. Here, select Account Center. Click on your information and permissions. Now select Export your information. Here, select Create Export. Then select your profile from here. Now choose Export to Device option. Now scroll down and select Start Export. It will ask you to enter your password. Once that's done, it will download all of your data and then you might save one-time photo. And that's it. This is how you can save one-time disappearing photo on Instagram. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.